Hi guys, today I am doing a tutorial with the Pat McGrath Midnight Sun Palette. It's the Mothership 6. The one that I got is the Star Wars palette. I did do a short on all the swatches. I'll see if I can manage to link it somewhere. It's the same palette as the original Midnight Sun palette. It's just repackaged basically. And if you are interested in seeing how I did this semi-glamorous / everyday glam type of look, then keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. I just managed to break my favorite concealer, so I primed my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I think this is the original color. And then I just did my eyebrows with the Instant Lift brow pencil with, from e.l.f. I think this color is dark brown, deep brown. And then I just set it with the Benefits 24-hour brow setter gel. My nose looks really horrible right now. I had flu or cold for the last week or so it doesn't look very good. So I might be editing out my nose from shot to shot depending on whether it shows. I'm going to start off with Taboo on a Refer number 27 brush. It's a nice fluffy brush. And I'm just going to place that down all over the crease and blend it upwards. Not quite to the brow bone, just below it. I will be traveling this next while. I don't know if I will get around to shooting any videos. I might do some shorts, but I don't think I will be able to do full-length tutorials like these. Just deepening it up a bit more. I have this weird divot in my eye this side, and it always makes it so difficult to blend eyeshadow in such a way where it looks smooth and blended, because it casts a bit of a shadow. Taking some of that under the eye as well. I'm taking Vermilion Venom on a Crown Pro C511. It's also a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to place that also in the crease. I just want to deepen up this crease a bit. But I want to do it with some color, so it's a nice warm color. I thought it would be a bit more red and a bit lighter, but looks pretty. Again with this divot in my eye. I'm just struggling to blend out there today. Maybe it's because I'm using a eyeshadow primer instead of a concealer that I've set with powder. I normally don't have this much difficulty getting the eyeshadows blended. And I don't like to set eyeshadow primer with a powder because it kind of defeats the point of the primer for me. That's also why I usually use the concealer instead of an eyeshadow primer, because I set that with powder so that everything blends out a bit more. But the color is a bit more intense when you use the primer instead of the concealer. I'm just taking whatever's left on the brush. Just deepen up under the eye a bit. Don't want that too intense. I'm taking a Crown Pro C528 with that extreme dusk color, and I am placing that in this outer V, concentrating most of the product in this V shape, and then just blending it inwards. I like this color, it's nice, deep brown color, not quite black, but it gets that very deep look that you normally want from a black. I think I'll blend these out a bit with the previous color. And just take what's left under the eye. Just blending out with the brush from the reddish shade. I'm just going back with the E-Sum again as well, and just try to blend everything out nice and smoothly. I'll do another tutorial with this palette at some stage using a concealer with a powder, because I really think I'll have less trouble blending everything out if I do that. And I don't want to go into the purple color today. I need to go take passport photos, so I don't want to go with weird colors. I'm taking some of that extreme dusk on a winged liner brush just to deepen up a bit more close to the lash line. A little bit of fallout there, but I think it's because I forgot to tap off the brush. Now if you have lighter eyes, this should be a dark enough color to do an eyeliner with. I generally like to go in with black to fully line my eyes with, because I have very dark eyes, and if I don't do that, people ask me why I'm not wearing makeup even though I look like this. I'm taking a Sigma eye shading brush, it's the E55, on that Bronze Eclipse color, and I'm just going to place that all over the lid. I just want to add some base color. And as pretty as all these last 4 shades in the palette are, I don't want to go too dark or too colorful today. I thought I was going to do more of an orangey look, but I actually want to try that Astral Solstice shade. There's a lid topper over this today. I'm just cleaning off that same brush and using that with the Astral Solstice and just dabbing on top. I don't want to put too much product. I don't want a solid shimmer layer. I just want to add some glitter to the shimmery color that's already there. I'm just cleaning up with a fluffy brush. Took this sparkle a bit high. Just want to blend it out. I'm just taking Skin Show Moon Glow on a spongy brush and placing that in the inner corner. Just blending a bit up, brighten up this inner side. And then just placing some on the brow bone. I'll blend that out now. Just close to the eyebrow. Just to left. Just taking that same clean brush and just blending that out. I'm just taking a teensy bit of that Blood Moon 005 on the edge of the spongy brush. I just want to place some color on this inner third of the lower lash line. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the look as it is. I'm going to finish off my face makeup and then do my eyeliner and eyelashes, and I will be back with my final look. Okay guys, so here's the final look. I added some Maybelline Sky High mascara to the eyelashes, and then just added one of the Ardell Duralash Knotted Trios in the large length at the ends on this side and on this side. And then I added some of the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner to wing the eyeline. And this is in the color black. And then I added some of the Maybelline Tattoo eyeliner in the color Onyx in the waterline. So what do you think? I think it's a nice everyday type of look. It's not as dramatic as some of the colors, which is cool to know that you can do something a bit more neutral, or you can go a bit more extreme with something with a bit more color and a bit more pizzazz. I will probably do some more looks with this palette at some other stage. I do have some of the other Pat McGrath palettes that I need to get to as well, and I do have a new palette on its way, so I still have a few things that I need to work through before I get to another look with this palette. But if you are interested in seeing how that turns out, then keep an eye on my channel, and then I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. take care and I hope to see you next time. Bye.